Initially we had 63 acres here with 6 pitches, and we always had an idea that we needed an indoor facility of some kind. So eventually we decided to build an aerodome here, which is 150 metres long by 100 metres wide by 26 metres high. It's made of a membrane, actually 2 membranes, one tough material on the outside and a softer material in the inside, and air between the two of them, which keeps it up inflated 24/7.
Sé an príomh difríocht idir immert isteach san NUI Galway Connacht Aerodome agus amach is ní bíonn tú amach faoin spéir ihe géirigh agus ní bíonn éon stormacha ná éon gréig séide agus tá an aimseir go bra i gcónaí isteach sa dóm. Tá an aiseolalas an bhá ón gach imreoir i pell agus i máíocht tá na cluichí an tapig agus gilúil.
The aerodome, as constructed on site at the minute, cost 3.1 million, of which you had the actual footings for the dome, you had the canvas for the dome, you had the pitch, you had all the lighting, so that's what the overall cost was 3.1 million.
Ní le mí bhaintáistí a bheith immert sa dóm i mothuairim. Tá an dromchla thar bharr le cluichí cosú le cluichí clubanna nó cluichí scoile nó cluichí idirchúnta faoi is ceapan gur tá sé fuarfa go háirithe sa géirigh.
This time of year it costs about 170 euros a day just to keep it inflated. That is, it's a smart dome, so everything we do that is on an app on our phone. Currently the maximum seating capacity is 600, but we have a facility to put that up to over 4,000 when we get into big time games in the future.